Hi everyone, this is Evie. It's great honor here to introduce our liquid packing machine for you. What we see now is our MR8-200R Rotary Premade packing machine. This machine can combine with the liquid pump to automatic filling and sealing, such as for juice, milk, salt, and so on. Even the easy foaming detergent, we also have customized solution to packing it. The machine is equipped with 8 working stations. The first station is bag-given station for filling bags. The vertical filling device can hold about 150 stand-up bags. If your bag is sport bag, the machine will equip the horizontal filling device for holding more bags. The second station is rainbow print. Can print the date or the production batch number. The third station, there are 2 sets of 2 caps for opening bags from top to bottom. Bags are successfully opened up to 99.9% of the time. The fourth station is used for filling liquid. The machine will detect whether bag is open. No open, no filling. The fifth and the sixth station, which can be customized according to the packing requirements. For example, filling again, or clean the bag mouth by rotating device. The last 2 stations will be sealed twice with temperature control, suitable for a variety of packaging materials. Make packaging more pretty and tight-fitting. Then, there is a conveyor to deliver the finished product. The machine with so many functions is easy to operate by touch screen. You only need 1 or 2 works to make the machine run independently. If there are some different sizes of bags, it's easy to change the bag by hand wear. Let's take a look at the machine details. Machine components are from the stable and reliable electrical brand. Example, the touch screen and the PLC on our machine both adopt German Siemens brand. At the same time, the machine adopts quiet conveyor system of shaft and can. It will with lower noise when the machine is running. The machine also equips the oil-free vacuum pump for the fruition of the production environmental. Regarding the craft of the machine, from the machine framer to clamps, which are all made by our own independently workshops. The machine is made by 304 stainless steel. It's with better durability and stability, so it's beneficial to improve the hygiene of package. Our machine supports the surface washing with perfect waterproof measures. For liquid products, the machine equips the water chute to drain off the machine table surface water. The liquid filler is adopted. The principle of piston movement back and forth. Control the piston tube to achieve the purpose of controlling the filling volume. As you can see, the machine makes package more prettier, more accurate, more sanitary, and effective cost down. We are not only sell machines, but also sell what problem machine solves.